Hey everyone, welcome to Goodnotes. This platform lets us take notes, make drawings and more within. As you can see, it's available on Android, Microsoft and Chrome, right there. It's $7 in the Microsoft store with a week's trial, same price on mobile. Oh, and you can use it on the web too, okay? So honestly, the platform looks pretty impressive. Look, they're even welcoming us here. Let's see if we can try it. Check it out, that's the platform, so you can get a quick look. We can make notebooks, folders to organize everything, alright? The notebook starts blank and we can draw or write text here, okay? There are various drawing tools and we can create pages, got it? And hey, this tool is also available for Mac, okay? I think this is where it should really shine, right? So they give us this ability to write, which makes the most sense with a stylus, right? We can write freely on paper and it'll recognize our handwriting, okay, to say the usual stuff. Like in this example, you write Astron and it guesses what you meant, right? Well, we have a library and stuff. It's basically a note-taking tool, okay? So let's check out some reviews, which I always like to do. Many of these tools, some free, we're seeing. Look, it says Goodnotes 6 is worth it. Okay, I'd like to see a more professional review though. There it is, Goodnotes dot. I don't know. It's this one. It has a 3.6 rating. Let's see. I think it's the best app. 1 star. I paid for the app and I lost it after the update. Worst app ever. And well, calling it the worst app might be a stretch. Lost all my files, no response. Support doesn't reply. They do reply. This app is a scam. Multiple lifetime payments, they keep charging. Maybe it's for plugins, but people get confused. Let's check Goodnotes 6 reviews on Apple's platform. It has 9,000 ratings and 4.7 stars, okay? Which is, I think, pretty much what's recommended. Watch out, I don't recommend buying it. Sudden version and price changes make it risky. Product and pricing should be consistent. Oh, I see, that's the issue, right? People pay for a lifetime, but when it updates, you can't upgrade, you know? Because you've you paid for lifetime, but only for that version, not future ones. I get why people are complaining. Now I understand. It's good to keep this in mind, okay? If you're considering a lifetime or subscription, just know you're paying for that version, not the whole product. Which, yeah, now I see I have to pay again for Goodnotes 6. It's not cheap either, about €30 for a one-time purchase. Experience tells me I'll have to pay again for version 7. That's why there's Goodnotes 6, that's why there are 6 versions and people are complaining, right? Once is fine, twice okay, but 6 times is a bit... Well, that's their business model basically, so just keep that in mind.